What's up, YouTube? We're going to head up to a meet in Cleveland. About a group of 5 of us, so it's going to be the second moto vlog on the channel. I can barely talk. The first one, I don't know, wasn't very good. It's about 30 minutes. It'll probably be about 30 minutes too. I might have to chop it up some, and hopefully I get the good parts out. Well, the good parts in and the bad parts out. So we're going to cruise up here, see what we can get into. We got a Suzuki GSX 8R, Gixxer 600, there's ZX10 behind us, and then there's also a CVR 650. So, heading up to a meet in Cleveland. It's a Moto Twins meet. I don't know if anybody knows who they are. I don't even know who they are. One of the buddies knows. So, about a 40-minute ride, so probably cut in with some more action once we get into once people start doing dumb shit. I don't even know that we're going to do any dumb shit on the way up there, so I'm not going to get ahead of myself. I only got 2 hours of record time too, so hopefully we can get good parts out. The wind noise on the last one wasn't that bad. I mean, it was pretty rough. So we're gonna hope it's gonna be as bad as it was. Not that it was bad, but I'm not sure what I can do about it. I already got one of the wind bumps on there. And I think it's just his helmet, because it's really a bad helmet. It doesn't block much wind noise. So I'm on the smallest bike here too, so granted the ZX10 is still in its break-in period, so he's not going to be jumping out too far ahead of us. Wheelies already, it's a little early for that. Meets tomorrow too, so there might be a couple videos coming out if I make it to the one that's tomorrow. Not sure if I'll make it to that one or not, so. We got a pretty long haul up to Cleveland from where we're at, so I'll probably cut in and out a little bit. I guess I'll stay recording now since we're about to pass this school. Nice little pass right there. Look at this CX tank coming up beside me. Damn, that thing's clean. 2026. I think he said it had like 400 miles on it, so. Really the best at editing these either, so hopefully we can get everything cut out that's not worth watching or whatnot. Because that last one I really was talking for the whole 30 minutes, so I don't think it was so terrible, but it still could have been better. Could have got it cut down a little bit, even though this one's going to be a long one since we're going for a long cruise. I missed the downshift. Got up there a little bit quicker. I know that wind noise is probably atrocious right now. But we're gonna finish this cruise up. We're gonna get up there towards Cleveland some more, and then I'll cut back in, just so you guys aren't watching me fucking go down a straight back road the whole time. So we'll get up there, and then I'll get back on here and see what else. Well, as you can see, the roads are wet. I'm still dry, so hopefully it stays that way. I was just recording that whole time too. When I went to cut it off, so you guys will see me go to cut it off, and then it'll cut. So I'll cut all that boring right now. I might throw in me just fucking trying to race a ZX-10, but that didn't really go as planned. I knew I wasn't gonna beat it, but we did a little pull beside each other. They all pulled away. God damn, these roads are juicy. It just rained. Well, it must not have rained past that intersection. I haven't rode much in the rain, well, really at all. I did my course with it being a little damp, but it wasn't real wet. I mean, it was wetter than this. There's some nice dry spots to run in. So, yeah, cut back in here just to go over. I think we're about halfway to Cleveland. So we'll see what happens. Just got a lot of recording that I got to cut up now. I wanted to cut the camera off just because I don't have much space, and it's easier to edit when it's just already in segments. So, well, yep, it's wet out. No fun. We're just going to keep cruising. I don't know if we'll do any more pulls with the roads being wet. Knowing this group, we're pretty stupid, so we probably will, but I mean, they're dry for the most part, just wet spots. We're gonna go ahead, we're gonna keep cruising. I guess, like I said before, I'll cut back when we get to Cleveland. Or get to Cleveland. So, unless we run into anything else fun that I can turn the camera back on for, but if not, see y'all when we get on the highway into Cleveland. Well, roads are soaked. I'm getting wet. I mean, I haven't got rained on, but you can tell it just rained over here. So now we're just cruising slow. I don't got great tires on here. I just got the ones that it came with the factory, so. Take her nice and easy. This guy on the Gixxer in front of me doesn't have very great tires either, so. God damn it, I can't say anything. My bat visor off. I mean, leather gloves, it doesn't really soak the rain out very much. We're almost there though, even though I gotta ride home with this shit, and I think I'm going right where the rain's going, so I end up throwing the rain gear on and fucking sanding her. Hopefully when I started talking, my mic was actually connected. Because it takes a second once I turn the camera on to actually connect to the mic. I got a DJI mic mini that it usually connects to, but sometimes it takes a second. Why does it look like the roads are already dried up? So it must have just rained a lot in that one spot. Which is crazy, because now I'm cold. Got water on me, now I'm fucking cold. Now I'm in the back of the pack too, which I'd rather not be in the back of the pack, but I guess the slowest bike I should be in the back of the pack. I don't know if she's gonna get up there and get beside him or if I should. I don't think she's going to. Is she? Doesn't look like it. So oh, they're all looking at the rainbow over there. I was like, what are they looking at? But damn rainbow. Alright, well, for the third time, I know I said I was going to cut out and cut back in once we got to Cleveland, but hey, I figured I'd update it. You never know, the rain might end up canceling our ride and we'll have to turn around and go back. Let's hope that don't happen, but it actually looks clear skies where we're going. A little bit of rain over that way to the right, but I think we'll be good. I don't know if we're going that far over to the right or not. I think the lake's over to our left, and we're just going down the side of the lake pretty much, Lake Erie, so. Alright, well, we'll do this one more time, we'll come back in when something happens. Or if we get rained on, or once we get to the meet, one of the two. Alright, hopefully we're paired back up to the mic. We're coming into Cleveland now. I think I got most highway out of the way. I think we're coming up into Cleveland. Cleveland's so damn big, we're probably already in Cleveland. I think we might be like 5 minutes away from the meet, so we'll let it ride. We'll see if I gotta cut anything out of this. Oh yeah, we're right here by the airport. They said it was by the airport. Still wet out. Damn aeroplane. Damn. My fucking hand is numb. Yeah, I'm gonna assume we're right here by where we're going. I'm seeing a couple bikes leave now. I wonder, this meet might not even be a very big meet. So I guess we'll see when we get there. I love the exhaust on this 500, man. Crackling and popping like it does. Another aeroplane coming in to land. Well, we are here. Thought it was close. Couple nice bikes out here. I ain't too close, am I? No, perfect. So I can get this kickstand down. God damn it. There we go. There's pizza and shit over there. Pizza, water, and then inside they got a bunch of shit y'all can order. The video will actually be. The last video got about 5 likes, so I guess 5's better than none. I think it was at like 200 views, 5 likes. That's about what I expected, especially with it being the first one. Got the airport over here. Yeah, with that being the first video, I didn't expect much from it. I didn't look at the watch time. I don't even know if people were watching it all the way through or not. If I had to guess, I'd say they weren't, just for the simple fact that it was long. This one won't be as long, but it won't be as commentary. I won't be talking as much. I also have some night footage I might cut up and throw in here. I probably won't though. Went through downtown Cleveland July 4th, the night of July 4th. It's pretty nice. It's crazy how poppin' Cleveland is after fucking midnight. Went pretty much around the bar district. Going right. Oh no, I'm going straight. That would have probably backtracked me a whole hell of a lot. I fucking hate these freeways in these big cities, man. They're all so fucking confusing, it's not even funny. So we're going to Columbus, 71 to Columbus. Got an hour drive on the highway back home, so it's gonna suck. And then I gotta turn around and go back to work. I'll literally pretty much be passing my work on 71. I was just gonna ride straight to work from here, but I forgot my damn steel toes like a dumbass. So, we gotta love that. I brought shorts for work, because I can't wear blue jeans at work. It's pretty stupid working in a warehouse, but I can't wear regular blue jeans. But I can wear shorts, so I got a pair of shorts, but I just didn't grab my steel toes. Fucking idiot. So I'm just gonna ride the bike home. I'll probably take the car out. Take the car to work. I just did the oil change on this thing yesterday, and I've already put 170 miles on it. The way I ride too, you know what, I wasn't paying attention to my GPS, so there's a possibility. I did, I was talking, not paying attention to my GPS. Dumbass, that's alright, I'm not in a hurry. I should turn the audio on it though. Hopefully you guys can't hear my music. Yes, sir. But we'll get you guys a little bit of highway clips. Clips. I know wind noise is probably really crucial. I didn't really look at the video from on the way to the meet, but I know the wind noise is probably pretty rough. Alright, well that fucking light took forever. Okay, I thought he was coming over for sure. 62 goddamn miles on the highway. Holy shit. I didn't realize it was that many miles. I knew it was about an hour, but I didn't think it was going to be 60 miles. I'd already be halfway there if I didn't go the wrong goddamn way like a retard. Yeah, we're gonna cruise this highway. I won't bore you guys with too much highway riding. Cruise this highway to get home. You ready for work? So we're gonna end this video off here. I know it wasn't that long, so it probably wasn't very good. I didn't even show anything really at the meet, but it was good enough. I'm not looking for fucking professional grade content. I'm just out here